name is Amanda Embry, and I'm a fashion stylist and blogger, an esthetician, and owner of the Style House in Frisco, Texas. Today I'm going to talk to you about what color of a button-down goes under a white blazer. Monica has on her white blazer with a black pencil skirt and a purple button-down from Express. We have just simple jewelry from Stella & Dot, YSL pumps, but the purple button-down really makes her white blazer stand out. It's our next model, Ashley, and I love her button-down because it's not a typical button-down that has a collar, but more of a straight edge top, the hot pink with her white blazer, and lilac jeggings. Finally, we've got our last model, Nikki, who's wearing a white Elizabeth & James blazer that's a little bit longer with a bright green top and jeans. So as you can see, there's many different colors of button-downs that will work well under a white blazer. Thank you for listening today. Again, my name is Amanda Embry, and we're at the Style House in Frisco, Texas. And those are examples of what color of a button-down goes under a white blazer. See you next time.